What's up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. This is yesterday's trade recap where I made $364. Just gonna make sure there's nothing here that you shouldn't want to see. Nope, we're good. I made $364. Now this was because of a mistake, but I'm actually, now that I look at it, I'm really happy that I made this mistake. But nevertheless, before getting to market open, we had filled 4-hour value gaps, and we were rejecting bearish order flow, and we were respecting bullish order flow. What we did onto market open then was simply a sweep of this 5-minute low. We then had a break of strike to the upside. We retraced into equilibrium and had a 79% extension closure where I entered with 8 cons. So really simple. We came up, hit my break-even target, which was also my TP1, where I closed 50% of my position. But the issue was when I pressed close 50%. I talked about this on my TikTok as well. When I closed the 50% partial, nothing happened. So I tried doing it again, and then apparently it happened the first time as well. So I closed the whole position on a 1-to-1, which is absolutely annoying. But there's nothing I can do about it. It was a bit annoying. I put my stop loss to break even, and then I realized I closed the whole position on a $365 profit or something like that. So that was a bit annoying, but I'm currently up $1,665.75. So if we can just real quick look at what's going on today. We've got, at 4 p.m. So maybe if we're lucky, we'll find a good entry. See if we can hit like a 2RR or something like that. Then I'll pass evaluation, but I'll just stay at low risk, just keep this $350 to $450 risk. I put my stop loss below the low, and I just targeted all-time highs to see if we could, hit that. And that was basically like what happened. Yeah, I don't know if there would have been any short entries. Not really. No. Yeah, I'm a bit annoyed over what happened, but there's nothing I can do about it. So yeah, that was gonna be everything for this trade recap. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my social medias. I have an announcement coming. I'm going to go for an Ironman in around 1.5 years. And I'll gather money for cancer. I think is one me and my best friend, also trading buddy, is going to do. Just because we can. We're young, healthy individuals, so why not push ourselves to the absolute limit of ourselves? So yeah, that's gonna be everything for this video, guys. Hope I can go viral on the TikTok account where we'll talk about that Ironman. And I'll just see you guys in the next video. Peace out.